Hey guys, this is Joffrey, and today I'm going to teach you how to make $100 a day using just apps in a promotion referral system. So what I'm going to be teaching you right now, a lot of people do not teach on YouTube, but I'm going to be giving you all of the keys, as you can call it, on how to make this work. This is all for free. You're not going to have to pay anything. You're not going to pay anything up front. You just need to sign up for these apps, use them, make some money with them. And once you make money with them, then you can basically use your results to refer people to the app that you want to promote. So proof that this works. So this is OneQ, and all of these apps that I'm going to be talking about will be in the description below. There's some others in here that make up a little bit more of my income, like $50 to $100. I have one app right now. It's not really an app, it's a website that's paying me about $25 to $50. It is not mentioned into this video. I'm still testing it out. I haven't got paid by that website yet. Once I get paid by the website, I will then share it on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. But I will share that once I get some payment proof of it. But these are apps that I've been talking about on this channel for a while. So OneQ is one that you answer questions and you get paid 25 cents directly to your PayPal. They send it directly to your PayPal. Let me just show you proof. You can just see OneQ payment, another OneQ payment. It goes directly to your PayPal, whether you're referring people like I'm doing in this system, or basically just answering questions. Both of them pay 25 cents. Now you might say 25 cents is not a lot of money, but you can just see, just ever since I've joined OneQ, and I think it was on the, let me see, my first payment was on the 9th. They just been sending me 25 cents. Now, no, that's not a lot of money. It's not Dosh. Dosh is paying me $25. And I have Dosh going to a bank account as well. I also have Dosh right here. And Dosh takes a little bit of time to pay out, so that's why they're more sporadic when I'm showing you this payment proof, so you can actually see that this is me, this is my account. So all of these payments are mine. QMe is another one, but you guys can do a little bit more. But like I said, I have other apps on the side that I'm still testing out, that I'm making a whole lot of more money, that's making up for that $100 a day that I told you in this video. But most of it is Dosh, because Dosh sends directly to your bank account and PayPal. So I split, depending on how much the payment is, I split between how I'm going to transfer my money. So with Dosh, you just basically download the app. It's a cashback app. You download it, you link a verified card, you go shopping like you would normally do with the link card that you link to Dosh. You get cash back, take pictures of it, do a video of it like I'm doing right now, showing payment proof, and then actually showing people, that you can make money with the app as well. So once you do that, then you can come in here and promote other apps like Drop, OneQ, App Flame. And that's basically what I did. So I made money with Dosh first, showed payment proof, and I'll actually just show you in my Pinterest account, how this all works, because most of my apps that I promote are on Pinterest. Now you can promote on a lot of platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I'm getting a little bit weary of Facebook because they actually blocked my link when I was actually promoting. So I don't know if I'm gonna be using Facebook anymore, but Pinterest is great for people who love SEO. I'm a very SEO friendly guy, so all of this stuff is very, very, easy for me. It's easy to rank. Let me just show you some of the stuff that has been, driving traffic to these apps. So if I open this up in a new tab, it has over 1,100 impressions, 5 repins. This is something that I just promoted a few days ago. It's 380 views and 3 pins, and then 4 clicks to the link. So 1,100 people have seen this pin, and there's 10 money apps that gives you free gift cards. This is promoting IBotta, Dosh, Drop, OneQ, App Flame, and some other apps that were in there. It's promoting that for me. It's a video that's explaining these apps. When people go watch that video from Pinterest, which they see this pin, and I have it correctly optimized, I just keyword stuff. This is just, you can just copy this, paste. If I just put this in here, just the keyword stuff, it's just basically keywords that are dealing with this, and it's already ranking for these particular keywords, and people are seeing it, and it's going to my YouTube channel, showing them my YouTube video. Now, like I said, you can do a picture. It's way more stuff that you can do than just doing a video. You just put a picture. You can see somebody has how I made $6,480 in 1 month blogging. You can do how I made $5 with OneQ with this one little app. You can show that picture, give them a link that goes to the app, or give them a link to a blog post. Now, to create a blog post, you do not need to buy a domain or buy hosting or whatever. You can actually just go to Blogger or Blogspot or Tumblr like I did and actually create a free blog. So let me just go over to my Tumblr dashboard and actually show you guys some of the stuff that I've been able to do with this. So if I go to this, you can see I'm posting these videos on here, and it's getting reblogged, getting people that are on Tumblr to look at my stuff. So a couple of these that I did delete. So this is where most of my traffic is coming from. This is when people are seeing what I'm doing, how I'm making money with these apps, these particular apps right here, and are actually, looking at it, going to the video, reposting, and then going to my referral link in that blog post or video. So that's how I'm getting referrals. That's how I'm constantly getting referrals. So what you want to do is you want to share on social media for 30 days without missing a day. This is going to set up a lot of organic growth because you're going to keyword optimize your posts. So whatever gift cards you want to use, if you got a free PayPal gift card, if you got a free Amazon gift card, keyword optimize that by putting free Amazon gift card, free PayPal gift card. You want to do this for 30 days without missing a day. People need to learn that consistency is going to get you the money. It's going to get you the growth. Now, I'm not guaranteeing anything because I can't guarantee anything, because I don't know you. I don't know if you're going to actually put forth the effort. But I've had people comment on some of my old videos that have already made their $25 in Dosh. I've seen people that have already, made $36 in QMe. So I've, the people that are actually, going through this training and actually listening and actually doing what I'm telling them to do have already started to see results. So I can't guarantee that you're going to see results, but you have to put in the work. So if you do this for 30 days, these apps are free. It's not nothing that you're paying for. You're not paying for any of these apps. These apps are free. You want a free way to make money online. I'm giving you a free way to make money online. I'm not doing anything that I'm not teaching as far as videos, posts on Pinterest, all that. I'm doing everything that I'm teaching you and I'm getting the results. So, sometimes I might get 10 referrals from here and 10 referrals from another social media platform, but they're all making me money. You want to do this. And if you really want to go viral, I suggest you do this on every platform. I will at least start with Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Blogger, YouTube. That's a great starting 5 to start with. Even LinkedIn. LinkedIn has people look over LinkedIn and Pinterest a lot. And I forgot that Pinterest is number one. Pinterest is number one just because it drives a lot of traffic. You can see my personal profile has over 200,000 monthly viewers. So people are actually coming to my site or actually look at some of my old pins that I did, a year ago. Once you post on Pinterest, it doesn't get lost in the feed like other posts on social media. It actually stays up there and it actually generates traffic from years and years to come. That's why I have stuff going to my blog. I mean, it's very simple to do. And I actually have a Pinterest course, and I'll actually put that in the end screen once this video ends. But this is what you want to do. 30 days continuously. If you make $1, post it. If you make $2, post it. If you make $3, post it. If you make 50 cents, if you make 25 cents, post it. It's not that hard. So I'm actually just show you on my phone these apps. And this is AppFlame, the one we just talked about a minute ago. And eBase is another one. eBase is a little bit harder, even though I talked about it today, but it's a little bit harder to get referrals in. Drop is another one. AppFlame is another one. Dosh, which I love. I love Dosh. You guys know if you've been on my channel, Dosh has paid me the most money. And let me just show you what I've made since I've been in Dosh. $220 this year, 4,511 since I got this app in 2018. Basically, 80% of that comes from referrals, and I do get cash back with the app. 80% of that comes from referrals. And there's more apps that has better referral system, but Dosh I will put at the top of the list. IBotta as well. IBotta is a little bit hard as well because the people that you refer actually have to go and take a picture of the receipt. So, but it is a cashback app and it does pay. So what I just gave you is just 3 or 4 apps, and you can actually duplicate this with any app that has a referral system that you can make money with. The basic system is you basically earn money with the app. So go ahead and download these apps in the description below. Use these apps, make money with the app, and then share it with your friends. This is basically, that's what a referral is. You're just sharing that you've actually got a result with the app that you're using. So once people see that, they will go through your referral link gladly because they see that you're making money with the app. They want to make money with the app too. You refer them. Everybody's happy. It's no cost to them. They're just going through your link. You're making money, giving them ways to make money. So as I'm teaching you guys this, you guys are going to go out and do the same thing, and you're going to make money, which is great. Because you're going to make money. You can teach other people how to make money. We can build this system, and more people could get results with the system as well. This is how you make $100 a day. But it starts with consistency. It starts with these three things. If you can make $100 in this a day, you can make $100 in anything online because it's consistency. But most people will do this for 3 days, quit, 4 days, quit. Don't see any results in 5 days, they quit. Listen, I will tell you this. When I first started my YouTube channel, I didn't get any views the first 2 or 3 weeks. And then the 3rd week, my video exploded. I got a lot of referrals. I made a whole lot of money. This was last year. This is a whole different channel. It takes consistency. You have to consistently put out effort. I would just come in here and just go crazy. I would do a 30-day posts with IBotta. So I would go out, make money when IBotta post about it. Same thing with Dosh. So you will be doing like, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 posts per day of different apps. You don't know which app is going to take, you don't know which social media post is going to take off. But if you do each and every one of these apps and constantly promote, that's 5 posts a day. That's 5 posts for 30 days. So what's 5 times 30? That's a total of 150 posts that you have on the internet. You can't tell me that one of them will at least get what I got on one of the posts that I just showed you. You cannot tell me one of your posts will not at least get 1,000 views on it. If you posting 5 times every day, I mean, and you got all of the tools to do that as well. You got the keyword optimization. You're doing exactly what I'm telling you to do. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this, but you have to be able to put in the work. 3 posts. It can be basic as you taking a screenshot. I'll just show you just how easy this is, and I'm gonna end this video, and I'll leave my Pinterest course somewhere down here for you guys to see. Okay, let me just go right here. I made $10 with this app today, so I would just basically screenshot it. Boom, screenshot it. Go on Instagram, go on something, and just basically promote it. Say, hey, I've made $10 with app. Put an arrow beside it. If you want to learn how to do this, contact me on Facebook or Instagram, whatever. They contact me. They say, yo, I'm interested in what you did to make that money. Then give them my referral link. Boom, they're in there. They're making money as well. But that's all I got for you guys. I hope this video inspires you. I hope this video helps you. I showed you proof, showed you that this works. Go out there and make $100 a day. I will talk to you guys on the next video. About that new website, I do have that coming. I am making about $25 to $50 with this new website that I'm using. So I will tell you guys more about that as I get paid with that app. And I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.